Welcome back, I'm Aura Glow, and today we're unlocking the secret to radiant, glowing skin, naturally and affordably. Forget the hype and expensive routines. True skin health starts with simple, science-backed habits. Every tip I share today is easy, budget-friendly, and rooted in real research. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end that will take your glow to the next level. Ready to transform your skin? Let's dive in. The foundation of glowing, radiant skin? It all starts with hydration. Water is the most essential ingredient for healthy skin, and it's often the most overlooked step in any skincare routine. Your skin is made up of millions of tiny cells, and every single one of them needs water to stay plump, elastic, and healthy. When your cells are hydrated, they function at their best, creating that luminous, dewy look we all crave. Think of hydrated skin as a juicy, fresh grape, full, smooth, and vibrant. Dehydrated skin, on the other hand, is like a raisin, shriveled, dull, and lacking life. When you drink enough water, your skin appears fuller, smoother, and those fine lines seem to fade away. It's like giving your skin a natural filter. On the flip side, dehydration leads to dullness, tightness, and more visible imperfections. Your skin may even feel rough or itchy, and makeup just doesn't sit right. The key is to sip water throughout the day. Don't just chug it all at once. Consistent hydration keeps your skin happy and balanced. Carry a reusable bottle wherever you go, and if plain water isn't your thing, infuse it with lemon, mint, or berries for a refreshing twist. This makes it easier and more enjoyable to stay hydrated. Hydration does more than just plump your skin. It helps flush out toxins, improves blood circulation, and supports your skin's natural barrier, protecting you from environmental stressors. When you're hydrated, your skin is less oily because it doesn't need to overcompensate for dryness. Balanced hydration means fewer breakouts and a more even complexion. A strong, well-hydrated skin barrier means less irritation, less redness, and fewer breakouts. Your skin becomes more resilient to daily challenges. Hydrated skin feels comfortable, resilient, and bouncy to the touch. It's the kind of skin that glows from within. No serum or cream can replace what water does from the inside out. Topical products help, but true radiance starts with hydration. Challenge yourself. Track your water intake for the next week. Set reminders on your phone or keep a journal and notice the difference in your skin's texture and glow. Choose water over soda or sugary drinks, and pay attention to how your skin feels and looks. You might be surprised at how quickly you see results. This is the simplest, most powerful step for radiant skin, and it's completely free. All it takes is a little commitment. Don't underestimate the power of water. It's nature's original beauty elixir, and it's available to everyone. Make hydration your non-negotiable first step every single day. It's the foundation for every other skincare habit. Notice how your skin glows when you're consistent. It's not magic, it's science, and it's within your reach. Start today, and your skin will thank you. Every sip is a step toward your healthiest, happiest skin. Cheers to your healthiest skin ever. Here's to making hydration a beautiful habit. What you eat shows up on your skin. The connection between your diet and your complexion is real. Your skin is often a reflection of what's happening inside your body. Nutrient-rich foods are the building blocks for healthy, glowing skin. When you fuel your body with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, your skin gets the nourishment it needs to repair, renew, and shine. On the other hand, processed foods and sugar trigger inflammation, leading to breakouts and dullness. These foods can disrupt your skin's natural balance, making it harder for your complexion to stay clear and vibrant. Fill your plate with colorful fruits and veggies. Antioxidants fight off skin-damaging free radicals. The more variety and color you add, the more you protect your skin from daily stressors. Berries, leafy greens, sweet potatoes, and bell peppers are skin superfoods. They're packed with nutrients that help your skin stay youthful, smooth, and resilient. Healthy fats, especially omega-3s from salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds, keep your skin supple and hydrated. These healthy fats help lock in moisture and reduce redness or irritation. Avocado toast? Yes, it's actually good for your skin. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, which help your skin stay soft and glowing. Vitamin C, citrus, strawberries, broccoli, boosts collagen for firmness. Collagen is what keeps your skin plump and youthful, and vitamin C is essential for its production. Vitamin E, almonds, sunflower seeds, and vitamin A, carrots, sweet potatoes, protect and renew your skin. These vitamins help repair damage and keep your skin barrier strong. High glycemic foods like white bread and soda spike insulin, causing more oil and breakouts. Over time, these foods can make your skin more prone to acne and irritation. Swap processed snacks for whole foods, your skin will notice. Even small changes like choosing fruit over chips can make a visible difference. Build meals around skin-loving ingredients. Oatmeal with berries, salmon salads, apples with almond butter. These foods not only taste great, but they also give your skin the nutrients it craves. Consistency is key. Glowing skin comes from weeks of nourishing choices, not one salad. Think of every meal as a chance to support your skin's health for the long term. Every healthy bite is a step toward clearer, brighter skin. Each meal is an opportunity to feed your skin from the inside out. Don't stress about perfection, just add more whole foods each day. Progress, not perfection, is what matters most for your skin. Your skin will reflect your healthy habits. Over time, you'll notice more radiance, fewer breakouts, and a smoother texture. Think of your meals as skincare from within. The choices you make in the kitchen are just as important as the products you use on your face. Start small, add a veggie, swap a sugary drink, choose fruit for dessert. These simple swaps add up to big changes over time. Over time, you'll see and feel the difference. Your skin will thank you for every nourishing choice you make. Glowing skin is built in the kitchen. Eat well, glow naturally, and remember that every meal is a chance to care for yourself. Your skin is worth it. Let's nourish that glow, one delicious bite at a time. Want effortless skin repair? Get your beauty sleep. While you sleep, your body repairs skin damage and boosts collagen production. Skimping on sleep means more wrinkles, dullness, and dark circles. Poor sleep raises stress hormones which break down collagen and trigger inflammation. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a calming bedtime routine. Turn off screens, read or listen to music. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet for deeper rest. Think of sleep as your nightly skin treatment. Don't skip it. Well-rested skin is brighter, plumper, and more even-toned. No cream can replace the power of a good night's sleep. Prioritize rest, and your skin will show it. Sleep is the ultimate natural glow booster. Give yourself permission to rest. Wake up to radiant skin, no effort required. Sweet dreams, glowing skin. Cleansing is essential for healthy skin, but using harsh cleansers can actually do more harm than good. Many people think that the stronger the cleanser, the better, but that's not true. That squeaky clean feeling you sometimes get, it's actually a warning sign. It means you've stripped away your skin's natural protective barrier, leaving it vulnerable to dryness, irritation, and even breakouts. Instead, choose a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser. You don't need to spend a fortune. Affordable options work just as well as luxury brands. Cream, milk, or gel cleansers are usually best for most skin types. They clean without stripping and help maintain your skin's natural moisture. Cleanse twice a day, morning and night. But if your skin is dry or sensitive, cleansing just at night is often enough to keep your skin balanced. In the morning, a splash of lukewarm water can be all you need to refresh your face and remove any overnight buildup. Always listen to your skin. If it feels tight or uncomfortable after cleansing, your cleanser may be too harsh for you. Use your fingertips to cleanse. Skip rough cloths or brushes, which can cause micro tears and irritation. Massage your cleanser in gently for about 60 seconds, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water to avoid shocking your skin. Pat your face dry with a soft towel. Never rub. Rubbing can cause redness and damage your skin's surface. The goal is to support your skin, not fight it. Treat your skin with the same kindness you'd show a friend. Gentle cleansing preserves your skin barrier and sets the stage for a healthy, glowing complexion. Remember, less is more. Don't overdo it with too many products or harsh routines. Take a moment to check your cleanser and your habits. Could you be a little gentler with your skin? Even small changes like switching to a gentler cleanser can make a big difference over time. Be kind to your skin, and it will reward you with comfort, resilience, and radiance. Healthy cleansing means happy, glowing skin, so treat your skin with care every single day. Exfoliation reveals your skin's natural radiance. Dead skin cells can build up, making your complexion dull and rough. Gentle exfoliation helps shed those cells, unclogs pores, and smooths texture. DIY options like oatmeal or sugar scrubs are affordable and effective. Mix ground oats with water or honey, or use brown sugar with olive oil. Be gentle. Overscrubbing damages your skin. Exfoliate 1-3 times a week, adjusting for your skin's needs. Always exfoliate on clean, damp skin using light pressure. Focus on congested areas, but be gentle everywhere. Rinse with lukewarm water and follow with moisturizer. Never skip hydration after exfoliating. Regular, gentle exfoliation boosts cell turnover and prevents breakouts. Your skin will feel softer and look brighter instantly. It's a simple step with big results. Reveal your glow, naturally. After cleansing and exfoliating, lock in moisture with natural oils. The right oil balances your skin, nourishes, and gives a dewy glow. Jojoba oil mimics your skin's sebum, great for most types. Rosehip seed oil brightens, fades scars, and absorbs quickly. Avoid coconut oil on your face if you're acne-prone, it can clog pores. Use just 2-3 drops applied to damp skin after cleansing. Warm the oil in your palms and press gently into your face. Oils can be your sole moisturizer or layered as the last step. Remember, thinnest to thickest, oil seals in everything. Natural oils deliver deep hydration and nutrients. Experiment to find your perfect match: jojoba, rosehip, squalane, or argan. Don't fear oils, they can transform your skin's texture and glow. Nature's moisture is powerful and affordable. Embrace oils for soft, supple, radiant skin. Your glow will look and feel real. Let your skin drink up the goodness, shine on naturally. The most important step for lasting radiance? Sun protection. Sun exposure causes up to 80% of visible aging, wrinkles, spots, and sagging. Even on cloudy days, UV rays break down collagen and speed up aging. For natural protection, seek shade, especially between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Use hats, sunglasses, and lightweight long-sleeve clothing as your first defense. Dark or bright fabrics offer better protection than light ones. Think of clothing as wearable sunscreen. Sun protection isn't just about looks, it prevents skin cancer. Protecting your skin preserves all your hard work from hydration, diet, and sleep. Make sun safety a daily habit. Grab a hat, walk in the shade, and cover up when outdoors. Your future skin will thank you. Consistent protection keeps your skin youthful and glowing. Don't undo your progress, shield your skin every day. Sun safety is self-care. It's the ultimate secret to lifelong radiance. Protect your glow naturally, your skin's future starts now. That's it, 7 simple, natural ways to unlock your glow. Remember, real results come from patience and consistency. Start small, stick with it, and your skin will transform. Share your favorite natural tips in the comments. I love learning from you. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more science-backed skin advice. Be kind to yourself and your skin. See you next time. Keep glowing.